Here we are, still at Tortilla's camp, Serengeti, and behind us is
Wildebeest. A little herd.
What are the tracks here?
Say it again.
Hippo.
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 Yeah.
Hippo tracks from today, last night. Like, are they fresh?
Yesterday we do it.
Yesterday.
Here's the Topi.
Topi.
Nicknamed Savannah Cowboy.
Because of the blue jeans on the back legs.
And the front legs too.
Oh yes.
You see?
When they get old, actually young male fight them out.
No more babies
And when
for
they
you.
move out, they follow like they call a coalition.
A coalition?
Yeah, males stay together
Like a
for
bachelor
defense.
herd,
Yeah,
only
bachelor
old.
stand.
We can't see anything. We saw the
Can't see
original
anything.
water, but
Well, let's keep it.
Put more water.
Do it again.
yeah.
Something flew into Becky's ear.
I still think there's something in there, Becky.
So true.
I can see it.
Oh, get
Can
it.
you?
Get
There's
it.
see that black thing? That's the tweet. Where's the tweezers?
Right here.
Can't you see that? It looks black to me.
Where are they? We've been out a little over 3 hours and we're looking for cheetahs. The other vehicle thought they had spotted one, but when we got there it had disappeared and ran off. So sad. We're racing to a termite mound. I think they found another cheetah there on the top. On the top.
Right up on the mound.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
That is beautiful. When you see a cheetah and you saw a leopard yesterday, you know the difference. Like in pictures, I'm like, what is the difference? But you can
Wait,
really
can you get in
tell.
here to get a picture, Wendy? It's close enough. Wait. Oh, okay.
Gazelle's right there. Come on, go get him. He's lazy. Like, I already ate 2 days ago.
Whoa. The eyes are open. Oh, that's
He's like, what are you doing, people?
Again.
Oh, he's gonna get up. Okay, wave. You're in it. That's amazing.
I was going to tell you before Dave.
here. Come.
Try to get in there too, Dave.
What are you looking at, David? What are you looking at?
Stick your head out, John. I can't see you. Okay, here you go.
Looking at a lion.
Quit looking at the lion.
Legs out.
Which one is the young male?
On the rock on the left, what is there?
Oh.
Oh, that is so glad I can get it.
Hiyo vidimbwi. Hata ya mwenyewe alikuwa anaogopa kupanda.
They're
Yeah,
crossing.
that's a good view.
Okay.
Look at this line.
I know. Oh,
Just keeps going.
The river one
Forever.
We're stuck here till about 9 o'clock.
They've changed course and have gone behind us. Except there's another truck behind us. Now what are we gonna do?
I bet you there's more than 100 out there.
You think?
That's a good one.
Yeah, straight up. Oh, that's cool. That's a good one. He's like, oh, we're going this way.
Not stopping anytime soon.
You get just a little idea of what it would have been like for the pioneers crossing the American plains with the buffalo. He looks like he's moving.
Yeah,
Let's go
the
back
crop
in.
is moving. He's moving to the water.
Yeah, there he goes. Good. Yeah. Mugger. He heard you call mine, son.
Vipi to? Oi, si mambo?
Crocodiles in the water. Wildebeest waiting to cross.
Tuna. Angalia pale wanakaribia kuvuka, tukae kimya kidogo. They're just patrolling the river up and down for the crossings. They're also waiting for the crossing.
Mm-hmm. They're waiting for their breakfast.
Gosh, that's more than 10 feet.
You see the tail pop up there
Yes.
as well?
No.
Eating breakfast. Watching crocodiles swim past. While we're waiting for the wildebeest crossing,
That's a lot of mass to move.
Kick it. Pop it. There we go. What's that?
Yeah.
I feel like you should go. You know, tena hapa ndio wenu wanajua kwamba tunawafanyia biashara. Hizi kufichi.
Kabisa.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, they're kind of hot. Flying for next.
Watch him come in landing.
That'd be much better.
Oh, did you see that? Oh, wow.
Only half an hour it takes? Oh my God. Oh, there's a big one they brought over. And then right.
Okay, there's
There's
one.
some in.
Yeah,
Yeah, well, there they go.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Don't go back. There's a lot coming back.
Is there a bigger river in front of it? Yeah, that's what they're not going to do.